Welcome to this tutorial on adding questions to your interactive lesson in Microsoft Forms. Once you have added your first question, then you will add branching options to each answer choice. Let's add our first question about identifying the rhyme scheme in a stanza of the poem, The Raven. Be sure to open your text document because you will be copying content from it. First, click on the introductory text box and then click on the Insert New button. Select the choice question type. From the text document, copy the first question by highlighting the text and then pressing the Command key and then tapping on the C key. Then, paste this text into the question text box by pressing the Command key and then tapping on the V key. In this case, you may have to delete some extra spaces that were added. I'll do that quickly. Next, we will enter the answer choices by copying them and pasting them into the answer options. In this case, I'm going to add a couple of extra options and then complete copying and pasting the answer choices. And then you'll have to select the correct answer choice, which in this case is going to be the third option, ABC, BBB. Then we will set the point value to 10. And finally, we're going to make this a required question. You have successfully created your first question, but in order to make this an interactive lesson, we need to add a branching option to each answer choice. If the student gets the correct answer, the student will go on to question number 2. If the student gets the wrong answer, he will go to the feedback section for question number 1, where the student will receive a mini lesson on how to identify the rhyme scheme in a stanza of a poem. In order to add branching to answer responses, click on the ellipsis at the bottom right-hand corner of the question and select Add Branching. This brings up a new screen, and what we're going to do as we scroll down to our option choices, for each wrong answer, we will select Feedback question number 1. For the correct answer choice, we will choose question number 2. Watch how this is done. Answer choice number 1 is wrong, so we're going to go to Feedback question number 1. Answer choice number 2 is also wrong, so we will also choose Feedback question number 1. Now answer choice number 3 is correct, so we're going to select question number 2. And then finally, answer choice number 4 is also wrong, so it too will go to Feedback question number 1. Once you have selected each branching option, click on the back button. This completes this tutorial on creating a question in a Microsoft form and adding branching options to your interactive lesson. In our next lesson, we will complete the feedback section for question number 1.